I'm Heidi Hewitt, AutoCAD Technical Marketing Manager at Autodesk, and I'm here with Martin Duke, CAD Manager with Oricon in Queensland, Australia. Martin, why is it important for users to understand their geometry when they're working with parametrics in AutoCAD?
Geometric relationships are absolutely fundamental to using parametrics, and the user has to understand the geometric relationships they're trying to define to have any hope of success when using parametrics. It's something a lot of users don't take a lot of time to understand, but before they start, they need to understand how objects relate to each other and what relationships they want them to have. Now, in my talk, I give an example where I have three sets of lines that are in a T shape, and they have different constraints. Some are parallel to the X and Y axis, some are aligned with a perpendicular. They will react differently. There are so many geometric constraints in AutoCAD. There's same, there's concentric, there's collinear, and you need to understand when to use each one.
So as users, a traditional user that doesn't use parametric constraints, maybe they're using some of these tools like O-snaps and applying some of these type of relationships, but just temporarily.
Yeah.
Right, and so they're kind of thinking about it, but I think what you're saying is they're not, it's sort of subconscious, they're not really thinking that these are true relationships, perpendicular, parallel.
Absolutely, absolutely. When you use O-snaps, as you know, it's just a temporary thing to create the geometry. When you use the constraints in parametrics, you're saying this is how it would always be.
So it's almost like bringing that to the conscious, you know,
Absolutely.
Making them more conscious of something that they're sort of already doing but maybe not thinking about.
Absolutely, it's fundamental.
Okay, great. Good
Okay.
tip. Thanks, Martin.